To thank you for reaching 800 subscribers on YouTube, I'm giving away something special this time. The Sony MZ-E810SP. I was hoping to get to 810 subscribers, but close enough. This unit is the one that docks into a nice folding speaker dock that actually protects the player. You push a small button to open it up, and then you can also change sound modes for normal and surround. What's nice is the speakers actually sound pretty decent, and you can play it off a AA sidecar. If there's a gumstick battery inside the player, you can actually undock it and redock it and have it keep playing. I'm giving away this nice blue Sony MZ-E810SP along with the AA sidecar, and this time I'm going to try something a little bit different. I want to direct ship some MiniDiscs that I bought in Japan. 2 packages. You get 1 MiniDisc player, this Sony MZ-E810SP, and this collection of discs that I won in Japan. Good luck, and thanks for watching.